Hey guys, it's Libby and I'm here with
Gabe.
He's my boyfriend, if you didn't get the memo from the last video he was in. So yeah, but we're doing something exciting. What are we doing?
We're gonna do this to my hair.
We're gonna bleach it. We're gonna bleach all his hair.
Yep.
And I love doing other people's hair. I like to live vicariously through other people, so we're gonna do it. I've never like dyed short hair before, so we'll see how it goes. But
I've never had my hair dyed, so.
yeah, there's a first time for everything, I suppose.
Yep.
So we're gonna bleach it. We're gonna bleach the shit out of it, and then we're gonna tone the shit out of it, and hopefully it'll end up looking pretty good.
Hopefully.
And if it doesn't, we'll go back and buy like this color hair dye, and we'll just pretend like it didn't even happen.
Quick fix.
So, let's get started. Woohoo!
That burns! Wow! Oh my goodness.
So he has been bleaching for like 10 minutes or something. It's been really quick. I had a cap on him to keep the heat in and make it go even faster. I lost a glove. I'm really sad about it because they're cool black gloves. But that's beside the point. It's time for you to go rinse, my dear.
Okay.
Shampoo this shit out.
It stings.
Yeah, beauty is pain.
Yes.
Beauty is pain. So he's gonna go rinse that out and then we'll be back. It's really yellow, but don't worry, we bought toner. We knew this was gonna happen, we're prepared.
Oh boy.
So we're gonna go ahead and tone, but first I gotta dry his hair. So I got this for Christmas. It works really good. It's like a Revlon blow dryer hair comb thingy. It works really good, so I recommend it. We're gonna dry it with this and then we'll get back to the toning. He's purple, as you can see. I forget how long the toner's been on, to be honest. Maybe 10 minutes, maybe 15, I'm not sure. It's fine. It's fine. We just do it by the looks. We do it by the looks.
Oh,
and I was rubbing his little hairs and they look pretty white instead of yellow. So I think it's time to rinse. So he's gonna do that and then he'll come back out and I'll dry it again and we'll see the final product.
Let's do it.
Oh, okay. So,
Oh my
what do you think?
Well, at least I match with this side.
Let's do the match.
That's good.
Blonde.
I like it. Yeah, super blonde. I went from
Super blonde.
dirty to light. Do you think I need a haircut? I don't know.
You need the sides.
Yeah.
You can leave the top long, but I think I'd get a haircut.
Alrighty. I like it.
Yay.
We match!
So, thank you guys for watching and joining us on our hair journey.
It was fun.
Very fun. Who gets the chance to dye their boyfriend's hair? No one. So, I'm pretty lucky.
I guess you are. Oh boy.
Yeah, alright. Well, I guess that's it. So, have a good day or night or whatever. Bye.